Hey there, I'm Marcus, aka SyntaxSquid, and today you're about to write your very first Python program. No downloads, no setup, just instant results. Let's get coding. Today we're going to use CodePad for now, but if you have another online code editor you would like to use, you can use that. In Python, we use functions to make computers do things. The most famous one is called print. It prints text on the screen. What we are going to do, we're going to create a new pad and call it Hello World. And we are going to set the programming language to Python. Once you hit create, you should see a code editor that creates a file called main.py. That's just telling us that we're writing Python. Now we're going to write print Hello World. Now what you want to do is hit this run button that says run. Once you hit that, in the console, it should say Hello World. Now that we know how to make the computer talk to us, let's do something more interactive. Let's have the computer ask us what our name is. Let's do name equals input. What is your name? Then we're going to print an F string that says hello name. Now we're going to hit that run button again, and as you can see, it asks us what our name is. Notice that the program stops waiting for us to enter an input. Let's put my name, Marcus. It says, hello Marcus. Quick tip, if it shows you an error, it's because you probably didn't close the parentheses or the quote. As you can see, I removed the ending quote. If I run it, it says there's a syntax error on line 1. And what you need to do is pay attention to these errors and the line numbers they're at, because it's important to know where the errors are coming from so debugging is easier. Let's add that quote and see what happens. And our program runs like normal. Let's put Marcus. Hello, Marcus. And that's it, your first real Python program. Next time, I'll show you how to set up Python and VS Code on your computer so you can write code like a pro. If you like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next lesson. Peace out, Squid Squad.